Welcome back to my channel. This is Mona, aka Nail Aesthetics. How are you guys today? I'm gonna be doing a pretty fall gel X set. Here is my client's inspo, and we're starting off with the color Beetles 281. Also sheer pink from DC. We're gonna be mixing it with OPI Samoan Sand to get the really pretty background for our French tip. For the French tip on the middle finger, we're doing a light purple by Valentino. We're also going to be doing that on the index, and I'll make sure to add that color to the description box. For the middle finger, we're going to be doing this blooming design. I'm using my Beetles blooming gel, and we're just using our dotting tool to dot it and allowing it to spread. We're also doing French tip on the pinky and thumbs. All the products I'm using today will also be in my Amazon storefront linked below this video, so you can go ahead and check it out and look at all my nail favorites, including this airbrush that we just used. I'm going to be using my Macart 3D gel to do my 3D flowers and also the 3D accents on the nail. For the 3D flowers, the secret to those are just getting those as flat as possible and not as raised. We're going to add a little airbrush on the pinky, some texture on the index finger here. For our pointer, we're doing a blooming design, again, used with our Beetles blooming gel and a liner brush. This liner brush is also in my Amazon storefront, so you guys can check that out. We're going to be outlining the flowers with that nice, pretty purple by Beetles and adding some middle accents as well as some gold diamonds in the middle. For the other flower, we're going to use the purple from Valentino just to fill it in. For the thumb, we're just doing a random blooming design. We're going to add some airbrush to the middle of the flower to give it some nice definition. Here I am adding these gold stones in the middle. The tool I'm using for this is a wax pencil that is also added in my Amazon storefront, guys. I'm going to also just add one on the thumbs. I don't know about you guys, but to me, thumbnails are ugly. I don't know what to ever do with them, but we make it work, right? So we're just going to top coat this design and voila. So cute, so pretty, and it's still giving fall with the summer features. I'll see you in my next video.